Hello and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Animated videos have taken the online world of businesses by storm. These days, many businesses are shifting their focus to marketing their products by making compelling and engaging animated videos. But the competition is tough right now, and it is not easy to grab the attention of reviewers by making ordinary 2D animations. That's where the 3D animation takes center stage in creating eye-catching, realistic, and interactive content that hooks your audience right to the end. Unlike 2D videos, 3D animation truly has a wow effect on viewers when it comes to creating perception and comprehension. With the help of 3D animation, businesses can provide a better comprehension of their business concepts and product features to their customers. You no longer have to rely on old-fashioned 2D videos when you can create a positive first impression and introduce your ideas to your customers in a more modern and exciting way through 3D animation. Sounds amazing, right? However, with 3D videos, you have to deal with heavy expenses, paying tons of money to graphic designers and animators, and spending months to create a single animated video that does not even look decent. Well, not anymore. Say goodbye to expensive 3D software and unreliable designers. Introducing the all-new, futuristic, and revolutionary 3D ToonFab Animation Studio, a multi-purpose animation studio you can use for video marketing, presentations, or explainer videos. Become a pro at making advanced and attractive 3D animated videos all by yourself with the 3D ToonFab Animation Studio that makes months of hard work achievable by just a few clicks. Let's check our trailers. Now you can create eye-catching brand videos, stun your audience, elevate your marketing, increase your credibility, and convert your audience into loyal customers. You no longer need to go bankrupt to set up a hefty 3D studio, as the 3D ToonFab Animation Studio has totally revolutionized 3D animation. It is the first and only multi-purpose video-making studio, comprising ready-made 3D animation studio sets, customizable 3D realistic animations, ready-made interactive video templates, and several more modules like transition videos to take your marketing to the next level. Whether you want to create a professional sales video, landing page video, presentation, marketing video, or creating a personalized video to generate sales, the 3D ToonFab provides a cost-effective and dynamic solution to your animated video marketing needs. Do you know that 91% of viewers are more likely to reward a brand for its originality? So captivate your audience by making attractive, aesthetically pleasing, and unique 3D animated videos in just a few minutes with the help of 3D ToonFab. The 3D ToonFab was made to assist you in making your next best sales video. That's why it's designed, keeping you in mind and making it easier for you to make an animated video. Hence, you can use 3D ToonFab for any video, any language, any industry. you no longer need to fuss over making a 3D animated video. With the 3D ToonFab, you can become an expert making high-quality, aesthetically pleasing, and captivating animated videos. Plus, you can generate tons of revenue and take your business to new heights. Now become a professional 3D animations producer and create unlimited animated videos for any business using 3D ToonFab. Build studio-quality animated videos with ease and sell them for hundreds of dollars to your clients. It means that by selling one video, you'll not only be able to cover the entire cost of this 3D ToonFab, but also make a good profit. Simply put, it's an all-in-one pack of future 3D Studio Builder for any kind of video. We have done it all for you. All you need to do is click, edit, and export. You can add as much personal character to the videos as you like. No fusses, no high prices, no headaches. Furthermore, no limits. You can use these videos for your or your clients' online or offline promotional ads. So what are you waiting for? Buy now and get our special early bird price. You'll need to click the button below this video and download 3D ToonFab today.